Very, very nice. I'm going to finish this because it's nice to see how these colours react. I should end up with that. Not on the top, as we draw down into the darker section of this. Right, that's very good. Now we need a dark colour. I'm a bit tempted to use this one. This is the 770. I think I'm going to have to use 181 as well. But let's just put this on. Now, I don't want to come too far up here. That would be nice, just to get a little bit of shadow on that edge. Come down this edge. Now, whether I'm going to use black or not, I'm not sure yet. But 181 I will be using. But I did put a bit of black in there, so I may have to put some black on top. Graduate it so that we still retain that colour at the top. 181. Got 199 ready. I'm pretty certain I'm going to need that. All these colours that I'm putting on are compatible. They've all got that mauvey look to it. It's almost okay, but not quite. Right, and now the black. Now you want to see a difference this makes. On its own, it wouldn't work at all. But you already know that black is a darkening agent, so therefore it darkens down and intensifies the richness you're trying to achieve. I think I'm almost there now. Come under here. The way it contrasts though with the rest of that. I don't know whether I want any more. Now the other thing you can do, which is quite clever really, is you can use the colour you've just put on there and drag it into those whites, because I don't want them to be too strong, too bright. So it's a very clever way of actually subduing the tones. Now that's pretty near perfect, not quite. I've got a little bit of work to do. I'm going to make that just a little richer by putting the 194 back in. A touch of the... Sorry, I have to keep it. I can't remember all these colours. 642.